Okay, come on, let's get started.
Okay.
Bro. Go on. You started. You started the video. Oh, what's up, friends?
What's up, A Squad? So as you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing Deaf, Mute, and Blind. I think it go in that order. But yeah, we're going to be doing that. I'm Amiya.
I'm Akiya.
Welcome to the channel. And we also have a special guest. Y'all already seen him.
What's up, y'all?
Yeah, y'all seen him before. But yeah, we had to get an extra person for this video because it requires 3 people. So we thought, let's get a king. Let's get a king.
Okay, she hasn't described what the video is about.
Yeah,
so
yeah, 'cause I
basically,
just like
we are
introduce
going
us.
to be baking a cake and
No, it's brownies.
oh, it is.
Oh wait,
Usually
never mind.
people
It's a
bake
white
cake. Usually people bake a cake or like they bake something, and there's gonna be like know how to bake the cake, and then there's gonna be blind. Are you gonna be mixing?
Yeah, I'll do all the mixing. I'll do all the putting things together.
And then I'm gonna be deaf. So
Like before
I'm
this
gonna-
video, low key, me and Akiya was.
yeah, you don't need to do all
Yes,
that.
that's how they do it.
No, I think we share it.
No.
So I think I might get the ingredients and stuff.
You're gonna have to. Who's deaf?
Akiya's deaf. Y'all, literally before the video, me and Akiya was talking about who should be deaf.
Yeah, so these are the headphones that I'm gonna be wearing for.
That's the perfect role for her. And then I went to be blind because I knew, like, I watched some of the videos for deaf, blind, and stuff like that before making this one. And I was like, oh, the blind one usually does the cooking.
Okay.
So that's why I picked blind. King tired because we're kind of doing this video kind of late.
Alright, let's go.
So King got the tape. I have my blindfold. This is like a well blindfold. But let's get started. Okay. Kai, wait. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay.
Girl. Hello? Okay, let me test them.
Ow!
Oh, my bad. Let me test
I'm gonna take my earrings off because these hurts. Okay, come on, let's get started.
Okay. Bro.
Okay, guys, so we're finna get started now. I'm finna take my earrings off so they don't hurt my head.
Guys, I'm not a cheater, so I'm going to even cover my nose.
Okay. Let's get started. Guys, this is finna be a big mess. I can already tell. Alright, so
Here's the mix. I already know what you need. I already know you need 2 eggs.
wait, I have to put my headphones on.
I know that you need 2 eggs. You need vegetable oil, I think 3 tablespoons, and then you need water. I think that's 1/4 of a cup. Cause I read the instructions before. So oh dang. Wait. Oh, a king can hear. I'm blind. Akiya can't hear. That's gonna be hard.
Can we get started already? Like, come on.
Okay, let's see.
Let's just get started.
Y'all, this is harder than what I thought. Okay.
Okay, so we need to get. What are you doing?
I'm getting the.
What are you
mixing.
doing?
I'm getting the mixing thing.
Huh?
I'm getting the girl. King, where are you at? You're
Wait.
supposed to be helping us.
Are we gonna be doing it this way?
We need the mixing bowl because we gotta put it in there.
Are we doing it this way or that way?
Girl, what? This way,
This
what
way or that way?
This way or this way? Touch my head.
This way or that way?
Let's do it this way so they can see. You have the bowl? In! Put in the baking stuff. King.
Come on, let me see it. Why aren't you giving it to me? Okay.
Yeah, she getting the eggs. Oh, she's getting the eggs. Cause I hear her in the refrigerator. Pour it. Yeah, I think it's just 2 eggs. King, is it 2 eggs? Okay.
Okay, guys, I just got the eggs. Ooh, I gotta change my song. What's taking you so long? Hello, what are we supposed to do? Where's the...
Hold this. You hold this. King, you hold this.
Huh?
Okay, how many do I crack? Kenny, how many? 2? 2?
Oh, 2? You just said 1.
How many?
Oh,
Yes, you can.
look, you're knocking over the drink. 2? Okay, there's 2 eggs. Please don't knock this. Okay.
Where's the trash can?
Give it to me. Here.
Me?
You! Yes, you!
That's it? Read the instructions. Is that it? Read. Okay, now it's vegetable oil.
You're doing a terrible job. You're literally doing such a terrible job. Like, it's actually ridiculous.
Okay, I got it. Now we need the
How much are you supposed to do?
Read the freaking instructions.
Read lips, dog, on it. Move out the way. Stop putting your hands all over the place.
Where's the
Okay.
teaspoon?
Okay. So we have the olive. Let's just put it there.
No! No! Here.
You can't even see it.
Here, pour it in here. Where's the thing? You have to pour it in here.
Huh?
Kai, don't piss me off. Come on, pour it in here. You're supposed to pour 3 times, I think. Did you pour it? Why y'all keep putting it down? The camera can't see it.
Wait, am I supposed to be doing that? Okay, so let me do it. How much do I pour? One
Where's
more.
she's at?
What? Stop! Back up.
Read
Ow! I can't. Bro, I can't.
Read the freaking instructions.
Look, he said 1. There.
Okay, Akin, can you please go find the instructions?
Alright, what's
and read
next?
them? Cause I know it's water, but I don't know how much water. Akaya's
Do you hear my
is-
song?
No, they say.
You hear my song?
It's
You hear it?
Sorry, a little bit. My mind is sky.
You hear my song?
I couldn't reply. I know you came out to see me tonight. My mind. That's why I just dropped. King, did you read the instructions?
Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Where's the mixer? Where's the mixer? Okay, I got it. Why are you snatching it
I
from
want to
me?
mix it. Get the water. We need the water, guys. Here, Kai, you can do it. Kai, you can do it. Do it. Oh, my bad. Can you hold it? Sheen, can you hand me the instructions, please? You have the instructions? Okay, where's she at?
What? What? Ain't nobody. What?
What does it say?
What? What?
What?
What? Say? What? Which one? There's numbers. Number 1. Heat oven to what? Stir, mix water, oil, and egg whites. How much? 1/2 cup water.
Find it. King, can you find it? Cause I can't see. Wait, don't get the one that's over there. Cause I know there's
All
one
right,
over there.
where are
Get
you
the
even
one that's up
pointing?
there.
No, he has it. Let me see it. That one looks clean.
Girl, hopefully my contact doesn't
That one
come
looks
out.
clean. Let's get that one. Come on. Hey guys, this is what it's looking like so far.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, come on. I don't need you trying to pinch me.
Let me mix. Let me mix. Bro.
I think that's too much water.
Can you read the instructions to see how much water? Ooh, this is thick, y'all. Look at the consistency. Guys, I feel like we genuinely did really good. Like, I feel like I was a big help in this, even though I can't see. I feel
You
like I
really
always
haven't
really
done
helped.
much.
Yes, I did actually.
It says 1/2. 1/2 cup.
Oh, I forget that.
So just pour it up to right there.
Tell me when y'all are pouring it in.
Why are you moving? I just poured the water in.
Go.
That's looking a little nasty. Is this supposed to look like that?
Am I showing the camera?
Well, I can't read your eyes.
Am I showing the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Candy, you want to mix her? No. Okay. Ooh, my arm's tired. Oh, Ken, are you setting it? Who's setting it? Who's setting the thing?
Why are you telling me to be quiet? Yeah, I can't hear.
Okay, can someone set it? I'll set it. Who are you? Oh, King. Okay. Since y'all are mixing, I'll spray the pan. Ah, okay. What? Okay.
Let go.
No. See,
Come on,
he said let me spray it.
That's
Okay.
enough. You trying to kill us or
Is
something?
it good?
All right, let me pour it.
Oh my goodness, I think my contact's falling out, y'all.
I don't think this is enough batter.
Is it too liquidy? No? Because it's supposed to be cake, it's not supposed to be brownie. Brownie's like stiff a little bit.
Now I don't look like it. Okay.
Where's the pan?
I want the rest. Okay.
Are we ready?
Okay. Why are you staring at me like that?
No! I thought I was looking at the camera. Are we ready to put it in here? We good? Come on, let's
Come
try it
on,
out.
mute. What are you doing?
Sorry, little baby, my mom's got us. You said how I couldn't reply. I know you came out to see it. Oh. Okay, Akeem, look at the time and then type it on there. Guys, how do y'all think we did? Comment down in the comment section how well we worked together. I feel like we worked pretty good besides the hearing person, because I feel like if you have headphones on, I think you should know how to read lips, so then it can be easier. But I feel like it wasn't that bad. At first I thought it was gonna be easy, but kind of isn't easy, low key. So we're just waiting now. Let me try. I want to try it.
I guess.
Here. Okay. It definitely does taste like batter. Okay, so I guess guys we'll be back whenever the cake is done and then we'll try it out. Okay.
You're not even in the camera.
Okay guys, so we finished.
And now we are finna taste our creation.
And this is what it looks like. Hold up. Let me show y'all a better angle.
Akin, you're kind of tall, so you gotta probably stay back a little
Don't
bit.
we?
No, we don't need that
No,
because we
we're
already
done.
finished it. We just need to make the cake, y'all. This is it. It's supposed to have icing, but someone threw the freaking icing out.
True
So
to mute, huh?
yeah, y'all. Keen's true to being mute because he's trying to go back mute, but I ain't finna go back blind because we already finished making the cake.
No, we should
I
go-
don't
we
mind
should-
going back deaf.
We should do it and taste the cake with it.
No.
Why not
do
taste
it.
the cake?
Yeah, you would
exactly.
taste
So what are
it.
you talking about?
So you still want to do that, bro?
just put it on then.
Yeah, I can't put mine on. 'cause
Okay, come
on.
Just
okay, I'm
cut
gonna
our
cut it.
piece. You don't
Oh,
need to
just
it.
cut our piece.
Ooh, that
Okay.
looks soft.
It do look soft. Let me just go ahead and cut everything.
Cut it like
Amaya,
that.
come on.
Why not?
Hurry
Cut
up.
us a piece.
Exactly, like you just.
But
wanna
then I
take
won't
that-
have to cut it later.
Nobody gonna be eating this cake. It got no, y'all. The cake got no frosting.
Keen, they can't see you.
It got no frosting, y'all. We finna eat dry looking cake.
It do look a little dry.
I'm gonna get this one.
Yep, Amaya, that's your
Oh,
cooking.
this is small. Bro, this is all of our cooking. Why are you trying to just put this on
should
me?
be
It's really your cooking though, cause you know what I'm saying. You the one that took the full, you know,
Wait, we're gonna try together.
initiative.
Okay, ready? Keen, bro. Okay.
All the
Ready?
cookies falling
One,
off.
two,
Goodness.
three.
I think it's pretty good, but would have been better with icing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Icing
got
definitely would have helped. We gotta go get some more
Y'all,
icing.
cream comes down.
But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. What should we do for this channel? And if you like this video, peace out, guys.